What up, everybody? So this is going to be a trade recap for 27 October 2025. So pretty amazing day, to be honest. Made around like $533 on the Express account. So let's go. So my whole ideology was to go bullish today, but the thing is that I don't actually have a bias, to be honest. I don't have I do have a bias, but the thing that I don't have is the exit point. So yeah, that's the reason why I didn't actually take a buy-in through. So the selling seems reasonable. So that's why I took three trades to be honest today. One in the Asia session and other two at New York Open. So let's break it down, right? So once price opened, all I wanted to see is the price go up, sweep that high, which is the all-time high, and then come back down to this 5 minutes fair value gap, unfilled fair value gap, and then go up. So that was the um whole thing, right? Like what I'm about to do, or like the whole idea of trading today. So as I was waiting, price actually swept out all those highs. And it was pretty aggressive on this moment time frame. And I thought price is gonna go down a little bit more and probably tap this 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. Oh, it is actually fell. So yeah, 15-minute fair value gap right up here. So it also has an internal low, so which acts as a magnet. So I thought about selling until then, and yeah, come on, man. So the thing is that I actually started, I mean, like after seeing it inverse, after a liquidity sweep, I thought the price is gonna come back down to rebalance and then go up. So I thought of holding this trade a bit, I'll break even, and I got tapped out of break even very early. Yeah, that was not my whole, what to say, that was not my whole plan to sell. Even if I'm gonna sell, this is gonna be my break-even point. So that's why I break even pretty quick. And then hold to this finance fair value gap. Probably I thought the price would go till here, but yeah, it's okay, right? So again, the next trade, I could have actually entered on a buy right up somewhere around here on 30-second time frame, but I really don't want to do it because I didn't have any take profit zone or anything like that. So once I came into the I mean once I took another trade at exactly at 10:11, so after macro. So once this finance fair value gap been disrespected at 30 seconds time frame. I know 30 seconds time frame, that's really bullshit. So we have a fair value gap right up here, and then a 30-second inversion, and that actually led me to take the trade right around here because 30-second inversion plus fair value gap, and also we are closing below 5 minutes fair value gap. Now I thought the price is gonna go down a little bit more, but it's okay. So once I took the trade straight up into drawdown, I thought the price is gonna stop me out, so I let it run. And then boom, it happened, another trade candle, and then I closed my position at the 30 seconds fair value gap. And yeah, that's a pretty nice trade. Um, could have just waited and then probably ended up buying at the zone or probably buy here and then keep the stop loss and let the trade run however long it want to be. And probably breaking the trade, who knows, like that would be a good thing to do, but yeah, I didn't do any of that. I cannot. So this was one trade. I made around like $200 on this trade, $250 on this trade. And the next trade is in It's gold. That was an amazing trade. Why did I do this? Like I was just actually spectating gold. I used to do that at Asian session just to go see inside. I don't actually trade gold, but I do actually go watch gold every single day. So if I really have an A listed up, then I'll take. And this is an A listed up. Reason why is that price sweeping internal highs on a 15-minute time frame. There's a huge fair value gap, and also we got internal high. So all I have to do is just wait for the price to do its thing and wait around here. We have a change in state delivery. That's a change in character, and then we also have a bullish fair value gap right up, bearish fair value gap right up here. And once the price came back into it, and also the reason once price close below 25%, it's going to come back till 75%. That's for sure. You're gonna have to mark out a leg and then wait for the price to break out of 25, come back in, retest that zone again, and then you can actually enter. And that could be any higher time frame PDRAs or any sort of confluence that you have, entry model that you have. So I actually have this. I just recently discovered it. So yeah, let's put it out here. So change the right? Like we also have an internal plus 1 minute time frame fair value gap. We are also bullish, but the whole higher time frame says I'm going to be bearish. So that's why it is. So 15-minute time frame internal sweep, wait for this fair value gap. That happened over there. And we also have a 1 minute inversion. And then on top of it, 30-second time frame seems pretty nice. So we got a huge fair value gap right up here. And then there you go, the entry. So we inverse this fair value gap. And then we do have a fair value gap right up here. So I actually ended my position right up here, keeping my stop loss at the recent high, and then targeting 50% off this whole range. So I could have just easily let the trade run till here. But yeah, you know what? Asian session, which I'm not even supposed to be trading at these sessions. So I just took whatever that I got and this, I mean, uh, for a fact that this is an express account, so we are up a bi-weekly patient for mine. Also, fuck that shit. Stop saying that. And I worked almost 15 minutes. What the heck? Oh, okay. That was a trading trade. So the thing is that, yeah, I got an entry at NQ2. So yeah, break even trade. So why I actually looked into the trade. We came back down, started to push up, closed about 25. And I was just like testing out, right? So we have an internal sweep and then the PDA right on, I guess. Nothing, nothing. Just this one is fair value gap. And then, yeah, 5 minutes, 1 minute inverse, less 1 minute fair value gap. So you gotta actually look into this like this. Market ranges sweep out the sell side liquidity and then go up inverse of a 1 minute fair value gap, creating a market structure shift and a fair value gap. Price come back into that fair value gap and tap into it. And then we also have another inverse. What else do you need? I got I got confidence after confidence after confidence, and then that's the reason why I took this trade. So one inversion, internal sweep, inversion, fair value gap comes into the fair value gap, inverses the fair value gap, and again creates another fair value gap. Price come back into it, and then go up. So that's how I actually ended up taking this trade. Anyways, we are good, and we got started out at break even right around somewhere here. The reason is that I had five contracts set up here, and then add another five contracts right around somewhere here. So as I was looking at this fair value gap, so I thought the price is gonna go up a little bit more, well, 75% at least. So I thought, okay, let's do this thing, and yeah, so I added another 5% right up here, and then got I had my stop loss at this low because that's the break-even point after adding another five contracts. So yeah, that's everything. And yep, uh, that's it. I got stopped out by up here somewhere up here. I don't know where it is. But yeah, that was a pretty nice trade. I could have just even if I would have let this trade run, that's my break-even point, closed above. So I would have got stopped out anyways. So yeah. So that's it, I guess. And I need to left. Okay, anyways, it's okay. Come on. Adios.